Okay, so any doubt on this move entity, right? देखो, real world ideation of move, a player is making a move, right? So now this move have what should of information, which piece is getting moved, right? From which cell you are moving, and at what cell you are putting that particular value, right? And then finally it should have some information. It is not required, but if it is capturing some piece, then which piece is got killed by that move, that information it should possess, right? So move के बारे में clear है, right? Move, what all parameters the move should have. Any doubt in this? Okay, now now let's come back to our original chess game, right? Where we have defined the chessboard, list of player, game status, and player turn. We have denoted the properties, right? We have denoted the properties of that particular chess game. Now let's look at what all operations we can perform on a chess game. So what all operations do you think can be performed on a chess game from the real world example? Make a move, right? Where you will say कि hey, एक और parameter इसमें लगता है कि we can take, see whether it is required or not. If we say कि probably chess game should have the list of moves as the parameter, move list, should we have some kind of a parameter like this, list of moves, list of move? And why I'll tell. Normally you have this reset function, reset बोल रहा हूँ, undo functionality, right? Control Z जब करते हैं तो, so it goes on the last state, right? So if you have stored some kind of a move list or what all the moves that is played in that game, probably you can just eliminate the last move and you can get the state of the board. मतलब last में board का क्या status है that you can get, right? So should we have some kind of a list of move parameter? Clear? ठीक है. Now let's talk about the operations that can be performed on a chess game. So the first operation is move, right? Move is an operation, right? या फिर इसको ऐसे बोल सकते हैं make a move. ठीक है, क्लियर के लिए कि क्या है make a move, right? So make a move is what? Someone is making this move, right? Player one says, hey, I want to make a move. So it will say which player has made the move. Player made the move. Okay. Then what all other parameters this particular make a move have? A move type, right? And this move will have contain the information key which piece got moved, from where to where it got moved, which piece it captured in that particular move, right? This move will contain that information. So should we have some this make a move? Can we discuss the visibility of this method, whether it should be public or it should be private? What do you think about this make a move method? It should be public or private? Any suggestion? Private होना चाहिए इसको या public होना चाहिए?
This particular thing, make a move will be in the chess game class, the entity, right?
So this should be accessible from outside, right? Player is making a move, so player should be accessing this chessboard and making this move. So someone from outside can access this particular method, right? So this should have a visibility of public, right? क्योंकि player ये move make कर रहा है, right? So player can access or alter this particular call this particular method to change the state of the game. Now let's talk about the another move. Okay, another method. After making a move, what happens, right? The turn changes, right? earlier it was a turn of white, now it will be a turn of black, right? So change turn. What do you think should be the visibility of this method, public or private? Change turn.
Private.
Yes, private. Why? Because after making a move, automatically we should flip the turn, right? We should, if it is player one's turn, then now it will be player two's turn, right? So it will happen automatically. So this should be private. Clear? Any other methods on this chess game? Some methods not very important, मतलब important तो है, ठीक है? Some methods like offer draw, ठीक है? So which player has offered the draw, ठीक है? And then you have some probably ki, offer draw, and then उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Anyone remembers? उसको क्या बोलते हैं? When I declare ठीक है कि you are the winner, मतलब without making the move, when you realize कि hey, now it's not possible to win on this board, you say कि hey, I accept the loss in this game. So what is that called? Forfeit बोलते हैं क्या? ठीक है, whatever. So offer victory, मतलब something like, ठीक है? If you want, probably you can have these methods as well, ठीक है? Any other methods you think the chess game should have? Any other method the chess game should have? Okay. If we can't think of any, probably when the requirement will come, probably we'll revisit here and probably can add it there. Okay. So abhi ke liye let's keep these particular methods, right? Now, let's talk about this chess board, right? What all methods the chess board should support? Chess board में क्या-क्या method हो सकते हैं? The first thing is कि after making a move, right? The state of the chess board also changes, right? You are making a move on a chess game, but eventually what happens? The board get updated, right? The board configuration gets changed. The pieces move from some cell A to cell some other cell, right? So should this chess board have some method? Update moves. Sorry, update board कर सकते हैं, right? And what all parameter it should receive? What all parameter it should receive? Move information, right?
Move.
Should this update board require to have this update board method? Should this require to have a parameter of player? What do you think? Should this update board method have a parameter called player? Any मतलब उसमें कुछ yes or no, मतलब हो सकता है या नहीं, होना चाहिए या नहीं होना चाहिए? It's absolutely fine to be wrong या right, ठीक है? But discussion से ही वो clear होगा कि why those things are like that. Because earlier this particular make a move, right? In this chess game had two parameters, player and the move. Now this make a move is going to ultimately call this update board, right? So should this update board be receiving both the parameters or only the move parameter?
Move alone, I guess it is fine, right? Because in the move itself, we are having the piece color thing. So from that, I guess we can take the color of the particular thing. So we can, from that we can find out like which player that this particular thing belongs to, and we can update from that particular perspective, right? Like either from the top two columns, or like from the below two columns, like from which
Okay.
particular player the thing, like we can make the move, right?
नहीं देखो आदित्य, I'll clear one thing here, ठीक है? It's a good observation, but one thing, it's not about whether we can find out that information or not. It's about whether that information actually belongs to that particular method or not. Okay, even if you just pass on that parameter and this particular update board is not going to use, it's still no problem for that particular method, right? It has receiving some parameter, it is not utilizing, that's perfectly fine. But the question here is, or the right or the wrong judgment is, whether that actually relates to that method or not. Actually, that is required for that method or not. Think logically. Update board, right? Update board means changing the state of the board where the pieces will be moved from a position 1 to position 2, right? The chessboard parameter only has the current state of the game, right? This chessboard का जो वो instance था, that only have the current instance of the game. So why it needs to have any information कि which player exactly change that particular state, right? क्योंकि उसमें सिर्फ current state है. It does not have any information कि what player is actually changing the state. That is with the chess game class, right? That's what the make a move method of the chess game required player parameter, but the update board does not require a player parameter. Agree with me या फिर any counter question? देखो सेशन का एजेंडा यही है कि काउंटर क्वेश्चन करो सो दैट इट शुड बी क्लियर. बिलोंग करता है तो क्यों, बिलोंग नहीं करता है तो व्हाई. ठीक है, इन बोथ द थिंग्स वी शुड एक्सप्लेन. I have given one of the justification. If you don't align with my justification, feel free to say कि this is the reason why it should be in this update board, why the player should be in this method. Any counter question? ठीक है. Okay, so if no counter question, okay, what will the visibility of this update board method?
Private.
Private.
Mhm.
Private method is only accessible from its class, right?
So we
And
will
who
be calling
is
it out
calling
from
this?
outside. Right?
And who is calling this
Okay.
update board? It is calling from the chess board, getting called from the chess game, right? So it should be public, right?
Mhm. Okay.
Sorry, it should be public. Okay. Now, what all the other parameters this particular chessboard should have? It should have reset board, maybe reset board if required. मतलब सिग्निफिकेंस यही है कि if I just want to, may or may not be, मतलब if you want to give the functionality like this कि reset करते हैं, ठीक है, start करेंगे scratch से या ऐसा कुछ, should have this parameter. If no, feel free to don't give this particular method. ठीक है. Okay, any other method in this chess game? If you want some additional thing, you can have the list of pieces, black lost, and white lost, totally optional. ठीक है, ऑप्शनल इसलिए क्योंकि if you want to have the count key at any of the instance, what all pieces the white has lost, मतलब normally जब chess.com को देखते हो, right? So there right side में दिखाता है कि what all pieces the black has lost and what all pieces the white has captured. So if you want to have that list, you can have that parameter. Perfectly fine to not have that because you can anyway derive from the board, right? If your board have this particular pieces, so at any point of time you can realize what all pieces are on the board and what all pieces are got killed, right? So perfectly optional. We have seen this chessboard where we have this method called update board. Now what about this cell? So एक बार cell पे देखते हैं. We have some parameter int x and y. If you further optimize it, if you want to further optimize this, x and y can be replaced by a parameter called कोऑर्डिनेट मतलब जो हमारा नॉर्मल कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम होता है, राइट, एक्स एंड वाई का. सो प्रोबेबली सेल पोजीशन से यू कैन जस्ट रिप्लेस इट. Cell position so you can replace the x and y parameter, you can wrap in the position class, cell position class, but perfectly fine not to have. ठीक है, इतना कुछ x and y के लिए इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, so we can continue to. ठीक है, so cell have only this parameter, right, is free. ठीक है, so cell के साथ एक मेथड क्या है कि whether that particular cell is occupied or not, right. उसके बाद should we have some method called update cell. Update cell, right, which will have what all parameters this update cell should have. What all parameters this update cell should have. First, position. So position can be represented by either या फिर simply cell. ठीक है, which cell is getting updated, and then you have something called piece, right. So at, let's suppose upon moves from A1 to A2 to A4, let's suppose, ठीक है, upon moves from A2 to A4, 2 steps. So now I'll call the update cell. Hey, at A2 cell you need to put a empty, means null piece, मतलब वहां पे कोई भी piece नहीं है, and you need to replace the A4 cell with this piece, right, and piece already have that information, okay, what kind of piece that was, right. Clear? Okay, clear till update cell. This will also be private, sorry, public. Is free should also be public, because it will be called from outside, hey, whether that cell is free or not, whether someone is there at that cell or not. Okay, and then you have this move class. Okay, and this move have these parameters. Okay, and this piece type probably won't become here, right. Why? Piece, what all properties a piece should have? Piece will have a color, right, and earlier we have taken the type of the piece, whether it's a king, queen, or whatever, right. But if we try to put all the pieces in a single class, okay, it will be too messy, right. Single responsibility will break. So it's better always to go with a is a relationship in this case, right, because each piece type, right, king is a piece, queen is a piece, rook is a piece, right. So we should have an abstract class piece, abstract entity piece. Okay, and then you have the queen, rook, and probably the pawn and others, right, and knight. Okay, knight, these all will be extending this piece. Okay, okay, now what all methods a piece should have? We'll just discuss the piece method now, and then we'll stop for today, and then in the next tomorrow session we'll complete this particular design with all the implementation part जो भी left out रहेगा, right. So just quickly वो वाला part cover कर लेते हैं. What all methods a piece class should have? We should have some kind of information of the actually what is getting moved.
Piece.
Piece is getting moved, right, but
Hmm.
piece के movement में you should be exactly sure कि whether that move is valid for that piece or not, right. So it should have some kind of list of possible moves. So not that list of valid moves. So this move is not that move because उस move में क्या था, start position, end position, वो सारी चीजें, right? Probably this is more towards कि what all the movement that piece can have, whether I can move horizontally, whether I can move in the diagonal direction. Let's suppose king can move in any direction, but limitation of only a single block. Queen can move in any direction. So list of valid moves is something, whether it's a diagonal move, whether it's a horizontal move, and something like this. Okay, and we'll refine this particular entity again. Okay, so and you have some method called move, which will be whether it can move from a start position to end position. So it should return a boolean, right? If I say ki, hey, piece, whether or probably should have some kind of better information, is valid move, या फिर उससे भी अच्छा इसके पास क्या नाम हो सकता है इस मेथड का, can move, right? Whether that piece can be moved from this to this. अगर मैं बोलूं कि hey horse, you need to go to a मतलब destination position which is more like a queen, so that is not possible to move, right? Horse can't move like that. So it will say if you'll pass the parameters to can move, it will say, hey, I can't move like that, right? So it will return false, and based upon its true or false, the class should take the decision whether it is a valid move or it is a invalid move, right? So can move should have a start position, that is the cell. It should have the end position, cell end position. It should have some information about the board as well. We can see some optimized way of handling this particular stuff, because here this piece class is actually receiving a board. Can we get rid of this? We'll see this. If not, we'll try to put it here. Okay. And why this board is required? Because many a times what can happen, it is a valid move, but it is invalid because there is some pieces obstructing at that particular place, right? Let's suppose a horse can go to a certain destination, but there already a piece exists of your color, मतलब तुम्हारा ही कोई other piece है, so you can't just remove that piece from that board, right? So that's what this can method should have, the parameter or the information of the board, so that it can take a wise decision. Okay, so we'll stop here, okay? And tomorrow's session we'll try to complete whatever is left out here. Okay, cool. Any questions till now? Or in the methods altogether कि कुछ और parameter होने चाहिए, say the method should be of different structure, something like that? Anything? No doubt?
No.
ठीक है, clear. Okay, cool. At least थोड़ा part clear है, मतलब कि क्या कैसे डिजाइन करना है, how to proceed with implementing that particular stuff.
Yes.
ठीक है. Okay, cool. We'll try to cover the left out for tomorrow. ठीक है. Okay, bye bye.
No, thank you, Ravi.
Yeah, thanks everyone. Bye bye.